Clean windshield wiper blades. Clear visibility is an essential factor in safe driving. You rely on what you see through your windshield. Your wiper blades are functioning mainly to ensure that your windshield is always clear of rain, snow, sleet and other elements that could blur your sight when driving. Wiper blades must be properly maintained regularly to ensure your safety on the road. Checking them at least every 6 months and replacing them once a year can save you from accidents waiting to happen. The instructions below teach you how to efficiently clean your wiper blades. Learn how to observe your wiper and check whether it is functioning properly. Pay special attention to the rubber blades and the squeegees. Normally, you will notice streaking on your windshield, which means that your rubber squeegee has dried up, toughened, or has been damaged. Foreign substances like sand particles and dirt may also attach to either the windshields or the wipers and have the same effect. It is also the natural wear and tear that causes windshield wipers to malfunction. When situations like these occur, you may find it necessary to replace your wipers. Make it a regular habit to clean up your windshield wipers each time you visit a gas station to load gas. The first step is to gently lift the windshield wiper away from the windshield one by one. This should be done quite easily because of the way it is connected to the hood of your car. Use a damp, clean rag to gently wipe the rubber blade of your windshield wiper. If there are some remaining spots of dirt on the blade that do not come off easily, dampen your cloth with a bit of windshield wiper fluid and continue wiping the blade until the dirt comes off. Using another piece of cloth, remove any traces of the windshield wiper from your blade and replace it back on the windshield. Make sure you do the same procedure on your rear windshield wipers. They are just as important as the front. Some vehicles may also have wipers attached to their tail lights or headlights. Wipe them clean too. It is also a must that you clean up your windshield properly so that your wipers can function the way they are made to. Water mixed with a mild detergent can be used to clean your windshield. This mixture can also be used for cleaning up your wiper blades. Just make sure that you rinse it off properly and wipe both your windshield and wipers dry after washing off the solution. Damaged wipers can affect your vision and put your life in danger when driving. Make sure that if you notice any malfunctions on your windshield wipers, you will need to replace them immediately. Always remember that it is better to be safe than sorry. Following these safety precautions will greatly lessen the risk of getting into accidents that may not only injure you and your passengers, but may cost you your life.